How to recover deleted Google Drive files. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the procedure on how can you recover deleted Google Drive files. Now to recover the deleted Drive files, you just want to go to the trash or bin in the Google Drive. So what you want to do is open your Google Drive application, tap on the menu bar at the top and go to the trash section. So here you will be able to recover or find the deleted folders. Now this is going to be remain for 30 days, and after 30 days it's going to be permanently deleted. And if you're trying to access something from the trash as well, or if it has already been deleted from the trash itself, then it's going to be quite difficult for you to restore, or you could say it quite impossible to recover the deleted files as well. But then if you've deleted only in the device and then you have it stored into your trash, you could locate that and then restore it, and that's the simple thing you could do in order to recover your deleted Google Drive file. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.